It's Dr. Marissa May, and I get lots of questions about one-to-one functions. So I thought I would show you this example. One-to-one functions have one and only one output for every input. So you'll notice that the R here is only matched to the 3. The B is only matched to the 7. The M is only matched to the 1, and the N is only matched to the 9. That is an indication of one-to-one. One that is not one-to-one, I want you to notice that the R and the B are matched to 3. That discounts this from being one-to-one. So you've got to have a single match for every input output. Only one single match. I hope this helps. Bye for now.